Think of a website like a house. The domain is your address, hosting is the land, and the content management system is the structure. This analogy simplifies understanding how these elements work together to create a functional website. Grasping this is crucial for making informed decisions about your digital marketing strategy. The house analogy simplifies web fundamentals. Domains are your address, hosting is the land, and content management system is the house structure. Understanding these elements is crucial for building a strong digital marketing foundation. This knowledge aids in strategic platform decisions and enhances communication with developers, ensuring effective campaign execution. Marketing is the preparation phase, focusing on creating awareness and nurturing relationships. It involves content creation, audience research, and lead generation. Sales, the closing phase, converts interest into transactions through negotiation and relationship building. In digital marketing, these roles often overlap, with tools like automated emails and landing pages serving both functions, enhancing the customer journey. Traditional media like TV, radio, and print offered broad reach but lacked precise targeting and return on investment measurement. Early digital channels, such as banner ads and email, introduced measurability and cost efficiency. Modern digital marketing excels with advanced targeting, real-time optimization, and detailed attribution, transforming how campaigns engage audiences across multiple touchpoints. Traditional marketing offers mass reach, but lacks precise targeting, relying on broad demographic data. Digital marketing excels with laser-focused targeting, tracking every interaction in real time. Traditional methods struggle with high costs and inflexibility, while digital allows scalable, adjustable budgets. Digital also fosters two-way engagement, turning customers into active participants in your brand story. Brands are increasingly allocating 65% of their marketing budgets to digital channels, up from 25% a decade ago. Digital campaigns offer 3 to 5 times better return on investment than traditional media. With a minimum daily spend of $10, businesses can test and optimize campaigns in real time, ensuring precise targeting and clear attribution to revenue. Think of a website like a house. A domain is its address, hosting is the land it sits on, and a content management system is the structure. This analogy simplifies complex web infrastructure, aiding in platform evaluation, developer communication, and strategic digital decisions. It helps clarify trade-offs and ensures informed choices. A domain name is your website's digital address, translating human-readable names into IP addresses via domain name system. Key concepts include registration, top-level domains like .com or .org, and subdomains. Strategically, choose short, memorable domains and consider multiple variations to protect your brand. Use reputable registrars and enable auto-renewal to maintain ownership. Web hosting is the server space where your website's files reside. It affects site speed, uptime, and user experience, crucial for search engine optimization and conversions. Options include shared hosting, virtual private server, dedicated, cloud, and managed WordPress hosting. Each varies in cost, speed, security, and scalability, impacting your site's performance and growth potential. A content management system, CMS, is essential for building and managing websites without coding each page. It enables content creation, media management, and user workflows. A CMS supports brand consistency, team collaboration, and scalability. It impacts search engine optimization, page speed, and mobile responsiveness, shaping your digital marketing strategy by integrating analytics and conversion tracking. Each content management system platform offers unique features. WordPress is highly flexible, ideal for content-heavy sites but requires technical skills. Joomla balances flexibility and ease, suitable for complex sites. Drupal excels in security and scalability, perfect for large enterprises. Squarespace and Wix offer simplicity for beginners, best for small businesses needing quick setup. WordPress is a powerhouse, powering over 43% of websites globally. It's open source, offering over 60,000 plugins and themes for customization. Ideal for content-heavy sites, it supports search engine optimization with plugins like Yoast SEO. However, it requires technical knowledge and regular updates, making it less suitable for beginners or quick launches. Shopify is tailored for e-commerce, offering built-in inventory management, payment processing, and tax compliance. Shopify Payments allows seamless transactions with major credit cards and digital wallets. Launching a store is quick with professional themes. Monthly fees range from $29 to $299 plus transaction fees. Shopify excels in conversion optimization and omni-channel marketing integration. Wix offers a user-friendly drag-and-drop interface with over 800 templates, ideal for small businesses. It includes built-in search engine optimization and analytics, but lacks flexibility and advanced search engine optimization. Squarespace focuses on stunning design, perfect for portfolios and blogs, with strong mobile optimization. However, it offers less customization and higher e-commerce pricing. Both suit small-scale, design-focused needs. WordPress offers unmatched flexibility and is ideal for custom sites and blogs, though it requires high maintenance. Shopify excels in e-commerce with low maintenance. Wix is user-friendly for small businesses, while Squarespace shines in design for portfolios. Choose based on your needs, budget, and technical comfort. Secure sockets. Layer encryption is crucial for website security, ensuring data protection and trust. It encrypts sensitive information, preventing interception by hackers. Secure Sockets layer also verifies website identity, reducing phishing risks. The presence of Hypertext Transfer Protocol Secure and a padlock icon enhances credibility, while technical benefits include preventing attacks and securing transactions. Business advantages include improved search rankings and reduced cart abandonment. SSL certificates encrypt data between a user's browser and your server, safeguarding sensitive information like credit card numbers and passwords. They verify your website's authenticity, preventing phishing attacks. SSL ensures HTTPS and a padlock icon, enhancing credibility. Technically, it prevents man-in-the-middle attacks, secures transactions, and enables HTTP 2. Business-wise, it builds trust, meets payment card industry compliance, and boosts search rankings. SSL certificates are crucial for SEO and conversions. Since 2014, Google uses HTTPS as a ranking signal, offering a 13% boost in search visibility. Non-HTTPS sites face not secure warnings, increasing bounce rates by 28%. Security concerns lead 84% of users to abandon purchases. Trust signals like SSL can boost conversions by 15–30%. Domain Validated (DV). Certificates offer basic validation, verifying domain control, and are ideal for blogs and small business sites. Organization Validated (OV) certificates confirm domain ownership and organizational authenticity, suitable for professional business websites. Extended Validation (EV) certificates provide the highest trust level, essential for banks and major e-commerce, requiring extensive vetting. For most, a free DV certificate suffices. Master the house analogy. Domain is your address, hosting is your land, content management system is your house structure. Choose the right content management system. WordPress for flexibility, Shopify for e-commerce, Wix, Squarespace for simplicity. Implement Hypertext Transfer Protocol, secure for search engine optimization and trust. Plan long-term for platform scalability. Website infrastructure impacts marketing, return on investment through speed, responsiveness, and search engine optimization capabilities. A local coffee shop aimed to expand digitally with a limited budget. Their goals included showcasing their menu, accepting online orders, and building an email list. Squarespace was chosen for its simplicity and integrated features. Within 6 months, online orders contributed 15% of revenue, and their email list grew to 1,200 subscribers, proving the platform's suitability. An e-commerce startup's growth journey highlights strategic platform choices. Initially, they launched on Shopify, validating their product-market fit with $50,000 revenue. As they scaled, Custom theme development and advanced features boosted revenue to $500,000. Transitioning to Shopify Plus enabled business-to-business capabilities, reaching $3 million. Key success: choosing a scalable platform from the start, saving significant migration costs. WordPress with Elementor Pro offers a powerful yet user-friendly website building experience, combining WordPress's flexibility with visual ease. Google Analytics 4 and Google Tag Manager are essential for tracking and analyzing website performance, crucial for digital marketing. Figma, a free design tool, is invaluable for creating mockups and understanding design workflows, enhancing communication with designers and developers. Understanding your content management system capabilities is crucial for campaign planning. Can it create landing pages quickly or support A/B testing? Your platform also dictates your search engine optimization potential. WordPress offers maximum control, while Shopify and Wix have limitations. Conversion rates hinge on page speed and mobile responsiveness, and integration with your marketing technology stack is essential for seamless execution. Set up a personal website using platforms like WordPress, Shopify, or Wix to solidify your understanding. Install an SSL certificate to see its impact on browser displays. Compare platforms by creating identical sites to grasp their unique workflows. Analyze successful websites' source code and content management system choices. Stay updated with industry blogs and newsletters to keep your skills sharp.